Hi and welcome to Astro Imagery once again. Today let's talk about something which I personally think is the most important in astrophotography, as I once found out, having ruined an entire night's imaging, only to find that in the morning, after all those hours wasted, that my images were all blurry, the stars looked like little balloons, and it was awful. The feeling, I'll never forget about it. I can't emphasize enough just how important it is to get your focus spot on before you get started. And this is really worth taking the extra time to double check, even 3 times check, to make sure you're in the best focus that you can possibly get. How do I go about focusing every night before I start imaging? Okay, so here I am now in APT, or Astrophotography Tool, where I do my imaging, and you can see that I'm well out of focus. See the donut shape there on the left. This is after I've adjusted my focuser, and we're getting closer to focus now. Okay, so each time I'm going to shoot for 5 seconds. You can see the counter starting now. So I'm shooting for 5 seconds after I've adjusted my focuser. Yes, the focus has got better now. You can begin to see the stars, but they're still out of focus if you look at the little balloon shapes. Not good. Okay, so now another adjustment, and you can see that I've actually made it worse. You can see the little donut there again is increased in size. Let's take another shot. And there you go, that's a bit better, but I still need to get these stars completely pinpoint and very, very sharp. That's what I need so that my images will be perfect. Okay. And that looks much better. So I can stop there, and the advantage of having the stars like this is my plate solving program can now work, and I can go and try and find a bright star. So here I am in APT, and I'm searching for stars, and I'm picking a bright star. Let's go with CAF. Okay, let's go to, and it's slewing to the bright star CAF, which is in the Cassiopeia constellation. So I found CAF. This is plate solving, and I'll come to that in more detail in another video. So look out for that. Once we have CAF fairly centered in our field of view, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my focus using a Bahtinov mask. Okay, so now I place the Bahtinov mask on the end of my telescope, and here you can see now what it looks like after I've taken 5-second shot, and you can see that the 3 diffraction spikes are not exactly equal. You're really looking for the central one to be perfectly in the center, and then you know that your focus is exactly right. And there we can see that looks pretty damn good to me. So I would say we're pretty well focused there. Perfect.